This guy, man, so happy to catch a fish.
Come.
Wait.
Oh.
Why are you being so nervous? Cool, where?
No, grab it. Give me the camera.
No, I can't.
No. You have to.
Lock it? It's okay. Let's see, let me see. How big is it?
Are you taking video?
Yeah. It's recording now. What happened? He's moving? Oh, he might be locked.
It's very big.
No way.
I'm not losing this guy.
Big? He's pulling?
Maybe it's pulling, maybe it's stuck. But you saw it. You saw
Yeah.
it jump, huh?
Yeah. Shit, he may be. Careful.
He's definitely pulling.
Huh?
He's pulling.
Really? But he's stuck, isn't it?
What can I do? No, he's still here.
Loose? Oh yeah, it's stuck. Don't go for it. He's moving?
Yeah, look.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you got him.
This is a small fish did all this to me. This fish did all this.
Wait. Shh. Wow.
We're gonna catch a lot of these, man.
No way.
Yeah. No, this is walleye. This is not even a bass. Is it a bass?
Wow, man. That's so good. Let me see good. Oh, let me video him.
Is this video?
Yeah.
You took a video of me taking him out?
Yeah.
You know what he did?
Wait. Don't go, man. Don't bring
I'm
it
not
close to
going
me. Let me make it a good move here. Wow. So good. You're so excited. Finally you made it. Let me get you with it, man. Just catch it like that. Nice.
At last.
You got some feast, man.
Because I'm like, you know what I did? I changed the bait.
You see? Not even.
You know what he did?
Ooh.
He went under the rocks.
Let me get close. Come on. Don't come. Wait. I don't want to get in my face, man. Okay, let me zoom.
Is this a bass? Is this a walleye?
This is called a bass?
Smallmouth bass.
Smallmouth. Wait, don't move it.
Don't move this.
Sorry, man.
Sure.
I am so sorry. I apologize.
For
We
what?
got you.
Huh?
I apologize to my buddy.
No, don't apologize. We're gonna eat you. You're gonna be.